Hello everyone, welcome to Most Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to make very easy and simple one recipe, make children's lunch for tomorrow. I'm going to make chicken mayo wraps for children's lunch tomorrow. So let's get into the video. I'm going to show how to make very easy, simple chicken wraps. I start to make chicken wraps. So first what I need some very thin chicken breast. I got 300 gram chicken breast. First thing, the chicken breast, add some salt, add some ginger powder, some garam masala, add some turmeric powder, haldi powder, add some chili powder, add some dhania powder, add some mixed herb, now add some soya sauce, very light, and just put corn flour, just 1 spoon of corn flour. One egg, little bit oil. So this I put everything here. So I start to mix now. So my chicken is ready to fry now. So my tawa is ready. So today I'm going to fry on the tawa to see how it's come. Okay, keep frying until it's get ready. Okay. This is like tawa fried chicken. Keep mixing until it gets brown or golden color. It's really getting crispy slowly. So I'll try to make it very crispy. It's really different than other recipes. It's really nice. Tawa fry. So the chicken is almost ready now. So tawa fried chicken breast is ready now. So once it's cooled down, so I mix up with the mayonnaise. Then I start to make wrap. I'll show the second part of making wrap. Now start to make my wrap. So I got the tawa fried chicken. I cut it very small pieces. So what I do, I get another empty bowl. So I transfer them to the empty bowl. So what I do, just adding some mayonnaise. If you want, you can add chili garlic sauce also. So adding some mayonnaise, you can whatever you like. So what I do, I mixing it with the mayonnaise. I wanted to use the garlic sauce also, but chili sauce also, but The reason I'm making for children, so that I don't eat. So if children doesn't like chili spicy, so I just make like mayo chicken only. Now I start to make wrap. So I got one clean wooden board. I put the wrap tortilla. You can use naan bread also, chapati, whatever you like. And then I place chicken on the tortilla. Spread everywhere. Just one side. And then I fold it like this. You can see. Just fold it like this. Fold it like this. Then I start to make a wrap. Hold it tight. Hold it tight until you get in the end. So the wrap is ready. So I'm going to put some sweet cherry tomato on top. The wrap is ready. Now all the wraps is ready to serve. So what I do, I just pack it for children for tomorrow lunch. I hope you'll enjoy. Thank you.